You're trying to save for a vacation, but unexpected expenses keep piling up. Credit card debt feels endless, and your paycheck disappears faster than you can track it. Sound familiar? The problem might not be your budget. It's how you think about your finances as a system. Systems thinking is a powerful way to see how the pieces of a problem connect. Your finances aren't just about saving or spending. They're part of a system with inputs, outputs, and feedback loops. Think of your finances like a bathtub. The water in the tub is your stock, your savings, or debt. The faucet represents your flow in, like income, and the drain is your flow out, like expenses. Let's say you want to build an emergency fund while paying off debt. If your expenses flow out faster than your income flows in, your savings stock won't grow. Or worse, your debt stock will overflow. Here's how you can use systems thinking to take control of your finances. 1. Map out your financial system, your income, expenses, savings, and debt. 2. Identify unnecessary outflows, like unused subscriptions. 3. Boost inflows by starting a side hustle or increasing income. And 4. Focus on reducing debt while growing savings. Savings can create positive feedback loops. As your stock grows, interest and investments build momentum, but ignoring debt can cause a vicious loop where interest piles up, draining your system. Start by mapping your financial system today. Look for areas where you can slow the flow out and increase the flow in. By treating your finances as a system, you'll make smarter decisions, reduce stress, and achieve your goals faster.